Hello, good morning. Mga anak ng patatas. Good morning mga inaanak, mga ninong, ninang, tito at tita. So ngayon, holiday. Nag-decide akong mag-bike para magpapawis. So, wala tayong planned na ruta today. Natin so saan tayo abutin? Sige, go. Maybe we'll do a little stop along the way. Pero yun nga, as I said, wala tayong ruta na defined. So we'll see kung saan tayo dadalhin ng tadhana. Alright. Guys, na-realize ko na mukhang maling desisyon na nagbike ako. Anak ng patatas, hapong-hapo na ako. Well, itong daan kasi na to, ito papunta na to ng Mabuhay, Nopal Hills, NGCP, papunta palabas ng Pulumulok technically, no? And relatively pangat din siya, pataas na siya kasi aakyat ka nga ng bundok, parang paakyat ka ng bundok. Along the way, tumaya tayong loto, sana manalo. Ay nako, hirap ng buhay. Well, we're approaching junction ng Sarangani Phase 2 at hindi ko alam kung anong kali yung nandun, but I think it's ano ba yan? I don't know, I really don't know. And then I think it's nice to ride a bike there. Let's go inside. Hirap mag U-turn. Alright, ikot tayo guys. May nakita akong daan na hindi naman bago sa akin, pero somehow I've known this place na malubak, maputik, pero ngayon sementado na siya. And a good thing, hindi siya masyadong diadaanan ng vehicles. So okay magbike technically. Ayun. Kanina dumaan ako ng Lotto outlet. Tumaya ako ng Lotto. Sana manalo. Wala namang mag-aambo ng maleta sa atin. So sariling sikap saka swerte na lang. Sabi nice. So makita nyo guys, ang dami pang open spaces. So this is General Santos. Farmlands, open spaces. So basically Jensen is a both rural and urban in Terwa. Tama ba? Hindi ko alam kung tama ang pinagsasabi ko. Lak ng patatas. Basta yun. Hindi siya puro structures, hindi siya purong farmlands. It's a combination of both. General Santos nga, di ba, is the tuna capital of the Philippines. And with that, syempre, kasabay nun yung industrial growth ng Jensen. This is an orphanage. Yan. See, ang ganda. Guys, kapag nagkapera talaga ako, bibili akong farm. Manifesting yan. Ng patatas. Lord, tulong. Bibili akong farm. Ganda. Ganda guys. Bibili akong malaking lote. Pagagawan ko ng bahay sa gitna. Magtatanim ako sa palibot. Oh, tignan nyo guys. Just imagine waking up to this every morning. Nak ng patatas, ang ganda nun. Diba? Just look at this guys, oh. Farmland. Tapos sa tabi, bahay mo. Diba? Galing. Ito pa, oh. Hindi ko alam kung anong tanim niya, pero kahit ganyan lang kalaki. Diba? So itong area na to dati, lubak-lubak yung kalsada dito. As in, sobrang lubak. Tumadaan ako dito. Nagpipray ako, sana hindi ako balahaw. Tama ba yung term? Yung malibing yung gulong sa sa lupa, sa basang, sa putik or what. Yun. Grabe guys. Ayun, sementado na siya. For sure, yung value ng properties dito nagtaasan na rin. We'll never know. As yun. Guys, yung gandang bahay guys, oh. I think ito yung bahay nung dating congressman. Oh. Dating congressman ng Jensen. Na-issue yun eh. Hindi siya tumakbo. Hindi siya nanalo actually. Oo. Hindi siya nanalo. But I think yan yun. Ay nako, Pilipinas. So guys, we are at Barangay Lower Matibay. First time ko pumasok dito. I don't know what to expect. Pero we'll see. So sana ito na yung sunod na isemento ng DPWH or i-donate na nila sa barangay yung road para or sa LGU para mamigyan ng budget for concrete na road. Alright. So guys, tingnan nyo. Manggahan. It's all farmlands. And then this area, farmlands pa din. Shit, ang ganda. Sorry. And look, may kabayo. Anak ng patatas. May kabayo. So as you can see guys, there's mangoes. And sa ilalim, tinaniman nila ng mukhang ano to, mais. So that's what you call intercropping. So ginagawa din yan sa coffee before. I mean, ginagawa din yan sa coffee until now. Intercropping ang tawag doon. However, sa intercrop, there must be precautions. To. This is a housing project. Okay. Oh, guys, so may housing project pala dito. Hindi ko alam yun. Ngayon lang ako nagawi talaga dito, promise. Wow, galing. Sooner or later, I think we cannot pass through that anymore because that's a private area na. So I think the journey ends here. Then we have to go back. Hehe. We have to go back na. Damn. Yun guys, yan nyo guys. Wow. Look at that. It's a big Carabao. When I was still a kid, we used to go to vacation sa Pangasinan. We used to go on a vacation sa Pangasinan. And my father owns a parcel of land there. And then they use that to grow mangoes, mais, palay, and sort of stuff. And then I remember riding in a Carabao. Guys, ganda talaga guys, oh. Ay, nako. Lord, sana manalo sa loto, Lord. Ay. Well, still hoping. You know what guys? Ang end game ko palagi, kapag may nagtatanong, so anong plano mo? Ay ko, plano ko mag-abroad, makapagpundar, mag-migrate doon or what. Then after that, bumili ng farm, then doon mag-retire. Yun talaga yung pinaka-end game ko guys. I saw how profitable farming is, and I know for sure that agriculture is the next gold mine. Bakit? Kasi wala nang bata ngayon na gusto matuto ng agriculture. Ng patatas, lahat nagtatanim sa Roblox, sa Minecraft. Alam mo yun? So if given the chance, I really wanted to invest in agriculture. That's the reason why yun talaga yung pangarap ko. Magkaroon ng farm, mag-manage ng farm, tumira sa farm. Kasi it's God's given grace. Look, tatanim ka lang, alagaan mo. After a few years, you have what? Fruits, you have gulay, you have things that you can eat. You don't have to buy, diba? Tagaan mo lang yan. It's like you're living in an off-grid. So guys, this is Ginto Street, going straight. Ginto Street pala yun. And then going down there is Punla Street, as you can see. And then I don't know what else. This one, this one is Punla Street, the whole junk, the whole street. Oh, nice. Ang ganda ng bahay dito, no? So this is Rebecca Holmes Phase B. Oh yeah, a good friend of mine lives there. Major. Name is Major. Oh, Diyos ko Lord, pataas siyang pataas. Nakabot pa yun dito. That business guys, yung Puto Balanghoy, usually, nasa downtown yun. Naabutan ko yun pag pupunta ko ng trabaho. Around 7-ish ng morning. Yeah, after nito, we go pabalik. Oh no. Oh no. Wow. Palabas na tayo ng, hindi ko alam kung anong kalsada to, pero papunta na tayo ng junction ng crossing ng Mabuhay Road at ewan ko anong daan to. Then let's go there sa ay nako, tatay naman namang hirap mag ng bike eh. Well, tayo magagawa, iwas natin ang road rage kahit nakaka road rage. Yun. So again, going back, so itong area na to ay hindi ko talaga alam kung anong daan to, ano pala nung kalye, pero itong area na to, dito yung mga isa sa mga low cost housing na Jensan. I think dalawang low cost housing ang nandito. Sino is Balbacoa? Yun. Sino is Balbacoa? When I was still working at MMC, kubo pa lang yan sila. And this is a branch, to tell you. That's a branch. So guys, based on sa nakita ko, ito ay NLSA Road na. Yeah, this is NLSA Road. And then we're going towards this junction here, wherein pag pumasok ka, that's another subdivision na low cost, which is Tanghal subdivision. I think, not certain, no? Hindi pa nakapunta doon, pero nakikita ko siya along the highways of Diversion Road. So this is a school. This is Notre Dame of Siena. Yun, Notre Dame of Siena College of Jensan. And the GSC. Before, they used to be all girls. All girls sila before. Now, co-ed na. Yung dati ko namang school, ano yun, all boys. Pero nung mga early 2000s or late 90s na, pasok na yung 2000 siguro, nag-convert na sila to co-ed. So nung pumasok ako, co-ed na siya. So may mga kasama na kami, may classmate na kami babae. dito. Kasi ang problema that time, siguro hindi ako sigurado dito, pero in my assumption lang, nag-a-assume lang ako. Siguro ang problema doon, kapag nag-all boys school ka, ang daming bading. Ang daming nagiging bakla. At ang nagiging problema din ng all girls ay ang daming nagiging tomboy. Well, yun, so this time nasa Aparente na tayo. Ang next na nito ay Barangay City Heights. Itong whole street na to ay I don't know, commercial or what? This is Holy Trinity College HTC. Yung HTC na yan ay isa sa mga malaking schools dito sa Jensan. And then this is their open field. Kasi on their campus dun sa downtown area, walang open field doon. They do have a basketball court on their rooftop ng building nila. Pero that's just it Pero kaya kaya meron silang ganito, open field. Ito yung isa sa property nila. Meron pa silang isang property sa Pulumulok, Apupong. Sa sunod na natin anuhin yun, puntahan. At nakakapagod na. Guys, kaya pala ako nag-bike ayun kasi nag-cheat day ako kahapon. Kumain ako ng rice, 2 meal, that's breakfast, and Watson, sorry, balik tayo. Kumain ako ng rice, breakfast, kumain din ako ng rice ng tanghali. Tapos pagdating ng gabi, kumain ako ng steak. So kailangan ko magpapawis kahit papaano. I don't know, I'm not in the mood kahapon Parang I'm so sad, so depressed, I'm so blue. So I don't like it. Nobody wants to be sad. Yun lang. And then so I decided to treat myself, to eat. Ayun. So that's the reason why right now pinagbabayaran ko yun. Pinagbabayaran ko yun. Ayun. Dito tayo. Meron akong gustong puntahan dito. Toy store siya. Kaso sarado pa. So, might as well balikan natin later. Kung papanik pa ako. Nakakapagod Tsaka mainit na. Kanina kasi when I started biking, makulimlim pa yung panahon Parang nakikisama. Ito yung perfect na panahon or the weather for beach. Talagang ako naman. We're at Barangay City Heights so relatively this is one of the biggest barangays in General Santos City. As you can see, old houses. I really love old houses, guys. Ang ganda. I mean, the structure itself as compared to the newer houses na sobrang init. Yung mga old houses na nandito, like Alam mo yun, feeling ko ang lamig pa rin kahit sobrang init ng panahon. So this is their barangay hall. So bagong gawa yan. So, kakagawa lang yan. Sa likod, basketball court, daycare. Kaso, yung basketball court nila, yung parkingan ng mga truck. Yung parkingan ng mga truck. So, basically, walang mapaglaruan yung mga bata. Or minsan naman, tinatanggal nila yon. Tapos, papalaro sila sa loob. Oh. And then there's another basketball court near Tuazon naman. I think it's a small court eh. Hmm. Di ka na yan. Iwas-iwas tayo. Wala tayong pera pang gastos ng repair. Right. So dito na muna tayo guys. Right, see you sa next vlog. Bye.